I'm back in my video, and today I got some friends with me, Hatchimals and LOL dolls, and they're matching little sisters. I got 3 of these ones, and the rest of these, and I really love this one, but she doesn't have the little sisters. So now let's get started. And we also have it under wraps now. Again. This ball is too silly all the time. Now we got our spyglass. It's so pretty. You can also put it in your eye. The next one, let me open it. Oh, we got a pink and gold ball. I hope this one is a good one. I don't want to get a same one. So this is what we got. Secret message. Let's see what it says. It says a pointer and some fishes. It says, under the sea. Under the sea. Okay, next layer. Codes. We're gonna do it. Now we're gonna get the codes right. So let's try the first one for crown and diamond. I'll put crown and diamond. Nope, doesn't work. What's the next one? Fire and a snowflake. Fire and a snowflake. Okay, does this work? No. Let's try this one. Candy and a lemon. Candy and a lemon. Okay. Yes, it worked. So this is our first one. A rain and a sun. Rain and a sun. Yes, it worked. This is our second one. Try the leaf and the evil face. Leaf and the evil face. Nope. Let's try the kind of targeting and the heart. Heart. Nope. Rain and the sun. Yep. Rain and the sun. Press harder. Yes. Wait, it says, let me out of here. Now, last one. It's mermaid. Let's do the code. Okay. So let's do fire and a snowflake. There. Yes. Finally. I wonder what we got. Let's take it. We got the same one! No, I don't want the same. And now, look, there's some stuff here. See, news. Well, let's open it. Of course we got this. We already know that. There we go. We got her outfit on. Now we're gonna get her shoes on. I'm kind of happy we got twinsies, but I'm still mad. Now we're gonna put her band on and her bottle on her head. Well, this is our LOL doll. I kind of don't like it because I got the same one. I'm mad right now. So I hope you like and subscribe our video. Bye!